Hello, what is your name?
Hi, I'm Sonia Galia.
How old are you?
I'm 32 years old.
What is your religion?
I'm a Christian.
Are you married?
No, not yet.
Okay, so how long have you been working in Hong Kong?
2 years now.
Okay, so do you have any work experience in other countries?
Yes, ma'am, in Lebanon for 4 years.
Okay, so how long have you been working with your current employer?
Right now it's 2 years.
Okay, where's your employer living in?
In Kowloon Tong,
How many square feet of your employer's house?
750 square
How
feet.
many family members are there?
6 adults and 2 kids.
Okay, so total all is 8, right?
Yes.
So how old the kids?
The kids are a 4 years old boy and a 1-year-old girl.
Okay, so how would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
Yes, I wake up in the morning around 6:30 and I start to wash the clothes and prepare a breakfast for my madam. She will go to work at 8 o'clock and then I will do the household chores. I clean the cages of the dogs. I feed the dogs and then my sir will wake up around 1 p.m. and do some things that he will want me to do. And then I go to market at 3 o'clock and prepare for the dinner and start to cook at around 6 o'clock.
Okay, okay. So what time they eat?
They eat around 8 o'clock.
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
The earliest time is 11:30.
Okay, thank you so much.